my latest eBay purchase. It comes in a sturdy box, which is always good. This has been signed for, which also is good, not only because it guarantees that it's more likely to actually arrive in my mail, but it's also a guarantee that whoever sold it, in case it doesn't arrive, gets a refund for his box. And this box this has to come out here somehow. Struggling with this bit. Wonderful. So, beautiful black box, wrapping paper, and here we look straight onto what it is. More wrapping material, and we've got here a Hornby Dublo box with something inside. This is the Triangle ambulance car from the rescue set. Looks to be in quite good condition. Wheels are a bit rusty, but otherwise it's okay. Little box with cars for transporter. Let's see whether they're really in there. They're not in there, so it's actually just an empty little box. And it becomes more interesting. Here we've got an original old Märklin box, and this is a Swiss Railway coach, as far as I understand. And then the next thing we've got here, a Triangle car transporter, which by the looks of it is just fine. It's not broken at all. That's great, actually, because these often have broken parts. Then here comes a very, very rusty Märklin. Really, the spring is missing between the two bogies. Pantograph there's very rusty. The roof is very rusty, so this is a hardcore restoration project. Let's put it here. There's another empty box, another Märklin box, and then here's another Swiss Railway coach. It's nice how these can be closed and opened, actually. Oh, they can be, I think they can be closed and opened with this thing. You turn it here. God, this is just beautiful. Things like this are not being built anymore these days. And last but not least, just another old Märklin box, which is, according to his age, falling apart. Oh, this also belongs to a second one of these. There's only one of these. Right, and as I was, there's something inside here in the Hornby Dublo box. Is it a Pullman car, a Pullman coach or not? Nope. That's just another, it is just another Triangle car transporter. That's the R342. So I've got two R342s. We've got the rescue ambulance coach. We've got two Märklins from the 50s, and three vintage Märklin boxes, an empty box for a Prel box, and that's really it. I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.